Today is Monday, September 16th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And for much of the middle U.S., it actually will be a beautiful day with lots of sunshine and highs well into the 80s, so it will feel quite summery. But in the southeast, all attention today on a landfalling tropical storm, that is Tropical Storm Helene, which will bring heavy rain, gusty winds, and the threat for some severe weather, which is what we often see with a landfalling tropical system. The amount of rotation in the atmosphere with height, in other words called shear, will produce the threat for some tornadoes. So we have the severe weather threat, the rain and the wind in the Carolinas, but outside of that, generally speaking, it's actually going to be a really nice day. There is also an area of some showers and storms around New Orleans and down the Florida Peninsula. But let's start here in the Midwest and the Great Lakes, where temperatures are in the mid and upper 80s this afternoon with lots of sunshine. Just a few scattered clouds out there in Chicago, Des Moines, and Minneapolis. Lots of sunshine from Pittsburgh down through Cincinnati and Louisville with highs in the 80s. Could see a couple of passing showers and some clouds over there in Memphis, but Nashville, you're looking sunny and highs in the upper 80s. Temperatures will dip a little bit here for the middle of the week for the Midwest, but it warms right back up as we continue to see this trend of warmer than normal temperatures as we continue our way here through the month of September. Same deal for Chicago. I think we're going to continue to see highs 80 or better just about every day over the next 7 days. In the southeast, from Charleston to Charlotte, over there to Wilmington, the threat for heavy rain as the moisture comes in from Tropical Storm Helene. As I mentioned, these thunderstorms that do develop today have the potential to spawn a few tornadoes. Probably going to see at least a tornado watch at some point later on today in the southeast. Temperatures well into the 80s to around 90 down the Florida Peninsula with some thunderstorms and also some thunderstorms around New Orleans. But look at you, Dallas, out there at 91 degrees with sunshine later on today. Once Helene moves out of the southeast, I think we actually end up pretty warm here for the rest of the week in the southeast, with high temperatures climbing back into the 80s. In Fort Lauderdale, it's very humid this morning. We got some scattered showers and storms that will develop this afternoon, and I think those storms will tend to linger into this evening as continues to be a warm and humid summer. Just a few more days left, though, officially, of summer before we welcome the fall season. All right, that is your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a fantastic start to their week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.